Greatness is at the border between now or never. What will you choose? Introducing Action5 Pro, the most capable action camera we've ever built. Powered by an all-new 1/1.3-inch sensor, Action5 Pro captures 4K at 120 frames per second and takes stunning 40-megapixel photos in burst mode, so you don't miss a thing. Boasting 13.5 stops of dynamic range, it excels in tough lighting conditions from day to night. And all-new Super Night mode means you can go further into the darkest conditions. Action5 Pro captures 10-bit color in normal and D-Log-M, delivering phenomenal detail and color accuracy. And it keeps up with you, generating up to 32 times super slow motion. Wow. Action5 Pro is your smart sidekick, keeping your horizon locked, or automatically centering you in the frame. New larger-than-life OLED touchscreens are bigger and brighter, with incredibly vivid color. A new cold-resistant battery lasts even longer, with its extended 4-hour battery life. Connect directly to two DJI Mic 2s using Osmo audio.
How far are we from the summit?
Just there, let's go!
Making vlogging easier than ever. Action5 Pro is waterproof, certified up to 20 meters. See your dive times and depths in real time with Action5 Pro's enhanced internal pressure sensors and with a finely tuned color temperature sensor. Your footage retains natural underwater hues. Transfer photos and videos with high-speed transfer so you can share instantly. Action5 Pro tells you how high you are in real time with barometric pressure detection and overlay telemetry data with your preferred data tracking device. It's now or never, and the choice is yours. This is Action5 Pro. Be all in.